Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have recording or attendance permissions. This saves time later. Once you have host access, open the participant list and enable captions for clarity. Start recording immediately and note the start time. This helps match attendees to timestamps. At the same time, open your attendance spreadsheet with name, email, and status columns so you can mark entries live. Doing these steps first prevents missed participants and creates an auditable record for later. Now focus on accurate capture. Watch the participant roster and the chat to collect full names and emails. As people join or leave, log their join and leave times in your sheet. Once done, apply your lateness rule, say 10 minutes, to mark late versus present. If you're recording, use the transcript or playback controls to extract exact timestamps for disputed entries. Make sure to sync any automatic attendance export with your manual notes so records match and nothing is missed. Finish by summarizing each attendee as present, late, or absent and calculate the total attendance percentage for your report. Save multiple copies, store the sheet in Drive, export a CSV, and email a copy to stakeholders for transparency. If recording failed, make sure to recover data from chat logs and any screen captures, and use your timestamped manual notes as proof. These backups will validate attendance claims. Finally, archive the files and note any discrepancies for follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.